Ayan guys, alam nyo ba na pagkatapos ng laro ni Dalton Nitz, may bata lang humingi ng sapatos niya. Saka hindi pa yun. Sabi ng bata, pirmahan mo. So ayan guys, ang bait ng player na to. Binigay pa yung sapatos, pinirmahan niya pa. So watch the video. Ang galing.
Can you please sign this, Mr. Dolphin? Thank you. What's Vivian?
Show my shoes? You can show my shoes?
Pretty please. Can you please sign them? Thank you very much.
How you spell your name? How you spell it?
V-I-V-I-A-N.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Absolutely, yeah, baby.